Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to log an applications on your iPhone with passcode and Face ID. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that you already activate the passcode as well as the Face ID security or access to open your phone. And after you already make that, now we need to go find out the shortcuts. So just need to slide and visit your app library. In this search button, just type a shortcuts, and after you found it, just go click it. And now we need to add the new automation. We need to jump into this automations right here, and after that, go click this plus button on the corner, create a personal automation. Go into scroll down until you find the app library here, and then you just need to go click it. And now you need to make sure that you choose this is open rather than is closed. And now you just need to choose which application that you want to lock. So let's say you want to lock a calendar here, you just need to go click calendar and go click done. Now click next. And then for the next thing, we need to add an action. Just go click this plus button actions here and just type a lock. Whenever you're done, you just need to go click this lock screen, and now go click next. And you need to turn off this ask before running, so it will be automatically running right away. And now just go click done. And now let's check the result. Let's try to open the calendar. You see your phone now is locked, so you need to access of your face or the passcode of the phone to open the calendar. So that is the way how to lock application on your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.